Setting up a PBR material in Blender can be pretty boring and time consuming because first you add some image textures and then the normal map and bump and the list goes on. But there is an add-on which comes within Blender to make this job easier for us. So first let's hit new here and now let's select the principal BSDF. Now let's go to edit and preferences and under add-on search Node Wrangler. And now let's check this add-on. This add-on is super useful for shading tasks and I think that many of you have already checked it. Now let's close this tab and now let's select our principal BSDF. Now press Ctrl Shift T. Now a file browser will pop up. So now let's select our materials that you want to add and now let's select all of them and now hit principal texture setup. And now you will see that the whole principal texture setup is done for us and also the bump map and the displacement map is set up for us. And not only that, but you can add a texture coordinate node with Node Wrangler. Let's say you have an image texture like this. So first select the image texture and press Ctrl T and now you will see that we have a
texture coordinate
and the mapping nodes.
So this is how you set up a PBR material in Blender quickly. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more great content. And I will see you next time. Have a nice day.